Hello guys and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to export video in DaVinci Resolve 18. Firstly, click on Deliver in the bottom panel when you finish editing your video. In the Render Settings panel, select Preset or click Custom Export to create your own settings. Now, name your file and choose where to save it and choose your desired format, for example MP4 and codec. Match your settings to the timeline. Make sure they match the footage, resolution, and frame rate. In the quality section, tick Restrict to and enter your desired bitrate, and then scroll down and click Add to Render Queue to start the process. Just click on Render All and wait for the process to finish and your video will be ready and exported. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.